Good morning, it's Monday, 3 January 2022. We're at the corner of Southwest 23rd and 31st Place. And we got the Alachua County Sheriff's Department, 2 canine vehicles. He's got wrench and tin out the car. Making some kind of sweep. What's unusual for this incident is you don't usually see the Alachua County Sheriff's Office operating in the GPD area. Got car 144 from the Alachua County Sheriff's Office. Car 145 of the Alachua County Sheriff's Department. And we're at 23rd Terrace. Oh, this looks like another deputy. And an undercover vehicle. He's waving to me. Yep, we see you. CPV J49, the waiver. Oh, here's another one. So we had 4 ASO units here. This is CPU 191, or correction, Charles Papa Uniform India No 901. Hey, I'm not pointing the camera at you, but I'd just like to know what went on here. Oh, okay. Good morning. Happy New Year to you. Oh, you out here too? Oh, you really out here. All right, my friend, I'm Blue Steel. Blue Steel Holly Heights, so that's how you look me up. Do you know about cop watching and First Amendment auditing and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Well, John Felix, you know him?
Yeah.
He did a story on me, and so did San Joaquin Valley Audits.
Oh yeah, I know who that is.
Yeah. I'm on John Felix. I'm Blue Steel. You can look me up, and under him, I got my own channel too. I'm new to this. This is my first actual popping in here because I seen the ASO, and this ain't their jurisdiction.
I told you this ain't their jurisdiction.
This is not their jurisdiction. That's an uncommon thing. I'm gonna turn my camera off.